Dear students, let's attempt part D, Think and Answer. Here, you have to write long answers. You have to write answers in detail. So you have to think first about the answer and then you have to write. So, let's begin with the first question. How does the leaf gatherer give meaning to his work? Here, hint is provided for your convenience. And the clue is, read the last stanza of the poem. Well, the answer is, gathering leaves may sometimes seem mundane job. Mundane means ordinary job, but it is an important part because the harvest is without any end. The cycle of life, especially the tree that produces the leaves, goes on and on. The crop will grow, it will bear leaves, the leaves will shed, and the leaf gatherer has to collect leaves again. So it is vital for earth's survival also, because those leaves will be dumped into earth and it will increase the productivity also. So thinking of all these things, the leaf gatherer gives meaning to his work. Dry leaves are neither heavy nor much valuable, but it is valuable to nature. Nature works in a cyclical way. Things grow, they die, and become one with earth again. New life grows from the fertile earth. The poet talks about the importance of cyclical life in nature. Leaves are signs of life in spring. They keep the tree alive by acting as the kitchen where the trees make their food through photosynthesis. But once the job of leaf is done, they fall to the ground and decompose, making earth richer. Let's jump on to the next question. Second question. Gathering Leaves is a poem not just about a leaf gatherer's work, but also about life. Explain this statement on the basis of your understanding of the poem. Its answer resembles the answer number 1. Dry leaves are neither heavy nor valuable. But yes, it is valuable to nature. Nature works in a cyclical way. Things grow, they die, become one with the earth again. New life grows from that fertile earth. The poet talks about the importance of cyclical life in nature. Leaves are signs of life in spring that keeps the tree alive. Just like leaves, human beings too should live active and helpful lives so that we can benefit Mother Earth in one way or the other. So, it's not just a poem about a mundane task, but it has a deeper meaning as well.